I appreciate about Lucie and makes them so easy to work with is that it's a true collaboration. It's a true partnership. I mean, it's so important from Lucie's perspective to get what our vision was for the site and to work with us to build these stories, to give us ideas. And we're building a world-class film facility, so we understand there's no greater impact, no greater medium than that of visual storytelling. And so I think in this day of age, for people, we live on our phones, we live on our computers. You know, it's how we digest our news, it's how we know about what's going on in the world. And so I think to be able to paint a picture for that viewer or that community, I think is a really critical step.